So, hello guys again, updating Grow Garden 2. My garden just got an upgrade. Look, we got a rainbow strawberry here and a new coconut with a 58 feet tall. So yeah, and I got some many mushrooms here. Cause God needed more money. What the? Blink. Just happened over. Seed shop. Just keep buying bamboo, guys. It's good. Wow. So you wanna know, guys, why my viewers talking low and they wanna watch this? There, guys. I just need the supporters. So yeah. I don't know why my avatar look like this. My actual avatars look like this. See this, guys? It's my normal avatar right here. And I don't know why it's bugging in Grow a Garden 2. Yeah, I don't know. Got a big coconut tree there and a big bamboo there. Let's climb there. Let's climb. Whoa, this thing's huge. Damn. Holy. Hell no. This thing's huge. Oh, you can surely see the whole entire Grow a Garden map. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 empty garden, guys. I'm in a private server right now. I think this is the end of the video right now, guys. So, yeah. Bye bye.